Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. India is very eager to be part of countries who can build and operate the fifth generation fighters indigenously with majority of made in India components. The fighter which I am talking about here is the upcoming and planned Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, which is also known as AMCA. Yes, India is independently developing a twin engine, fifth generation, super maneuverable stealth multirole fighter, which has been named as the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft. This most expected fighter is being developed and designed by the Aeronautical Development Agency and will be manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. As per the latest update, the AMCA is in development and it is expected to take its first flight by 2025. If everything goes fine and as planned, AMCA will enter the serial production by 2030 tentatively. Now, coming to the update on the latest happening with the AMCA development, it looks like the Midani, which is a specialized metals and metal alloy manufacturing facility located in Hyderabad, has begun supplying the titanium alloy material needed to make the airframe for the aircraft. Airframe is the most vital mechanical structure of an aircraft, which is typically considered to include the fuselage, the undercarriage, the empennage, and the wings. Airframe design is a field of aerospace engineering that combines aerodynamics, materials technology, and manufacturing methods with a focus on weight, strength, and aerodynamic drag. Not only that, they will also concentrate on the reliability and cost factor. The good thing to mention here is that the airframe, which is something vital for the AMCA development, is being developed for the first time in India. It was decided that the needed material would be developed indigenously under the Atmanirbhar Bharat program, and the technology for it was developed by Midani. As per the defense sources, looks like 5 slabs have been supplied so far and another 7 will be supplied in due course for the work that has begun on the advanced medium combat aircraft. Midani highlighted that the company has been an important partner in development of titanium slabs for the airframe development, and Midani will undertake the development and delivery of 6 to 7 frames for 2021. As Indian Air Force would be going for 120 plus AMCA order, this project is very crucial for Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and expediting the development, the review, and the quality testing is very vital for them. So let's expect the AMCA fighter program of India becomes fruitful at the earliest, and as mentioned before, let India join the elite club of countries which have a fifth generation combat aircraft. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.